how these Rohingyas are entering not only our state, even other parts of the international border also. So those things, and then moreover, at present actually, how to bring this turmoil into peace, okay, and how we will try to make our youth who is already agitated about the situations, about the Sikh scheduled area, why the non-tribal, are coming in between. So likewise, we have talked in very much in length, and then I have already asked him to put, 1-2 more security camped like CRP, and then maybe if we can put another sorts of forces in those areas where our people will be protected.
So, what is the situation in the Garo Hills right now?
Right now, the situation has been handled by everybody. Why I am saying everybody is that everybody is involved by everyone, even the preachers, fathers. I want to thank our bishop also, who is praying for our people to come back into peace, and then even the reverends, everyone, every citizens of Garo Hills is praying that this situation is handled in a way that should be handled, and we should come to our state, and then nobody should fight with anybody, and then the right which is given to the tribal people should not be snatched, and then and then since there was no such rule in place, that particular procedure we have to follow and then see what we can do. Definitely I'll go back to Garo Hills and discuss this matter with all my senior leaders, advisors, and then I'll definitely meet with my people and then see what we can do.
So
right now I think I want to thank especially the police personals, the police department, who has handled the situation very, very nicely. Otherwise it might have gone out of hand. And thanks to the police department and all the other departments who are involved, especially in taking care of the situations and then bringing, at least calming the situation right now. Even the DC office also.
Are you pressing for any inquiry into this entire violence which has taken place in Garo Hills?
I won't say press right now, because the law will take its own course, because whoever has already created these particular situations right now, I think one has to take responsibility actually, regarding why the situation has cropped up at the very instance. Otherwise, Garo Hills right now is a peaceful place. Even Meghalaya is a peaceful state right now. So looking at the whole scenario, somebody might have instigated someone to do something, because you never know whether it's a politically or motivated, or maybe somebody wants to take advantage of the situation. So, let's pray everything is fine.
To whom you blame?
I don't want to blame anybody right now. It's the rule which was not framed earlier, because our seniors, they have not foreseen what would have happened. Okay? What would have happened now because of their carelessness. So this is the thing that is happening. So we don't want it to follow in the future. So that's why we are going to have a word with my people out there, and then with the seniors, with the elders, with all the intellectuals who may be able to give us the advice how to go about it.
What was the view of the governor on the participation of non-tribals in the district council election?
Actually, governor is very much in view of the rules. Okay, if the rules is in place, then definitely these things would not have happened. Okay, but since the rule has not been adopted by the district council, that's why this thing has been, the lingering for many, many years. If the rule was framed already from before, then we need not have to face this particular consequences that has happened. Okay, that's why governor has told us that you go back and see how to go about with the rules, procedures, and then what kind of amendment that should be done. We will discuss with the people. Government is with the people. He's for peace, and then he's for the people. So governor is very much positive to whatever we will do. He is not, because you see, 6 schedule is for the for the tribal, and everybody knows it, and everybody should know it, because the fundamental right that we are talking about, okay, you cannot coincide with that particular 6 schedule, because 6 schedule has totally a different structure. It has its own autonomy. So that's why the district council has to come up with the amendment and the rules, and even the electoral college should be framed by the district council itself. That way one day maybe we might be able to do so. Thank you.
Thank you.
Memorandum to copy if you have. Please don't know.
Right now, thank you, bye.